Welcome, third graders, to our lesson today. Grab your government packet. We're going to be talking about the actions of citizens. So you've already filled out your preview questions, your before questions with your true or false. You've gotten some information in your brain about what we're going to learn about. And today we're going to read and discuss actions of citizens. So go to the last page in your government packet. Find the heading that says Actions of Citizens and follow along with me. Every member of a community has rights. These rights are given to us by the United States Constitution. We've read about that there's the Bill of Rights in that, and it tells us what our rights are as citizens. But all citizens also have responsibilities as members of a community. Responsibilities are things we must do to help our community. You have responsibilities at home, probably things like picking up your room, making sure that maybe the trash is taken out, or unloading the dishwasher. You might have to sort your laundry or put it away. Those are responsibilities you have at home to help your home community. But we also have responsibilities to help our local community where we live and our school community. Good citizens have the responsibility to demonstrate their civic virtues. Civic virtues are people's actions that show the character traits of good citizens. So your actions that show you're a good citizen is called a civic virtue. Recycling, picking up trash, helping others, maybe putting in a garden in an area or painting an old building. Those would be actions that would show positive character traits as you as a citizen. Let's talk more about what other responsibilities you have to show your civic virtue. The most important responsibility of a citizen is to vote. We just went through this. Every citizen is given the right to vote when they turn 18. When citizens vote, they are letting the government know what they think. Voting lets citizens choose people who will represent them in government. So we just went through this where people voted and let the government know what they thought about the candidates. And once you turn 18 and are a citizen, meaning that you were either born in the United States or you have taken a test to become a U.S. citizen, you get that right to vote. Another important responsibility is to serve on a jury. A jury is a group of people that make decisions about court cases. So sometimes throughout the year, you might get what they call a jury summons, where you have to go down and they decide different juries or groups of people that are going to listen to a court case and decide if someone is guilty or innocent based on the evidence. And so they ask that people come down and serve on that jury. Sometimes you're picked, sometimes you're not. But it is a responsibility that when you get that jury call to go down and see if you are picked to be a part of that. Good citizens also have a responsibility to pay taxes to the government. And we've talked about that those taxes help pay for our services. We pay taxes on our property, we pay taxes on our vehicles, we pay taxes on the things we purchase and buy, and taxes are taken out of our pay. Another thing is civility. Civility. Good citizens show civility by being polite and treating others with kindness, which is not always easy for some people to show civility. Obeying the law shows your respect for others. Driving safely shows civility. Making sure you're following street signs shows civility. Laws are made to keep people safe, so citizens show their respect for others by following the law. Not taking or stealing from others is a way of showing civility. Good citizens show civility when they cooperate with others. Cooperation means working together to meet goals. So you can see some pictures here of some groups that are cooperating to show civility. Caring. Good citizens also take care of their community. They try to make their community a better place to live. Good citizens protect the environment. They try to solve problems and to help others. So recycling is a way to show that you are caring and taking care of your community. Good citizens often take care of their community by volunteering. Volunteering is doing work for others for no pay. Some of you might have volunteered before. Here's also examples. It says many citizens volunteer to clean up their community. That's what these folks are doing. To collect food for a food bank, or to work on other projects. We have some projects that happen at school. For example, we collect toys for students that are in the hospital. We also collect canned food to hand out to those that may not be able to afford or purchase food. So there's lots of ways that you can help as a citizen, even though you're not an adult. All right, we will be coming back to answer our after questions now that we've learned a little more about actions of a citizen.